Are engineers expensive? We have a software for you. I'm Flogan and I'm a sales engineer here at Mozenda. Founded in 2008 in Utah, USA by a data passionate and technologist, Mozenda is one of the most efficient research tools that you can use for your web data extraction process. Our software is used by 1/3 of Fortune 500 companies that operate in industry sectors such as technology, retail, pharmaceutical, consulting, and more. Executives like yourself need lots of data to make informed decisions. Mozenda can generate streams of data that flow directly to your database, creating a data lake that you can use for your intelligent decision making. But what makes Mozenda the first choice when it comes to data? It is an autonomous software that you can use to extract, clean, integrate, transform your data. You can build unlimited robots to extract this data. Mozenda's client success department supports you every step of the way as you build your organization's capacity. And our managed services professionals are ready to step in, whether you want them to help you ramp up or you want a fully managed solution. With the right data at the right time, you can make the best decision for your business and your clients. I would be happy to open a free trial account for you and provide you with a product demo. You would just simply have to respond to this email. Thank you for your time and I hope to be speaking to you soon.